How to create a video with pictures on CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a video with pictures and music in CapCut. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your CapCut app and make sure that you're logged in so you get the full benefit of the app, even if it's the free version. So go ahead and tap on the new project to create a new project. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead and import a few pictures like these and then hit next. And once you import the picture, and if you want to add music to create a video, go ahead and tap on this audio option and then head over to sounds. Now choose any sound you want, so I'm just going to select this one and then add it to my track. Once you've added the music, you can just crop out the music until the end of your pictures. And if you want to edit the pictures, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to shrink this about here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add animations on my picture. Now you could add different transitions on your picture, so go back here, tap on this, and then add a few transitions. So I'm just going to tap on mix and do the same for these ones as well. So I'm just going to tap on this one and then head over to mix. So after you're done editing, you can just tap on the export button at the top right corner and you will be able to export this to your gallery. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.